Alright, Apple fans, buckle up, because the iPhone SE is about to get a massive glow-up. If you've been following the SE lineup, you know the drill. Apple's old iPhone design slaps in a new chip and calls it a day. Well, not this time. For years, the SE has been stuck in the past. The first one looked like the iPhone 5S. Then Apple recycled the iPhone 8's design for the second and third models. But the SE4, it's finally breaking free from that cycle. A fresh, modern look. Rumors say this one's getting a full makeover. Think iPhone 14 vibes, but with its own twist. That means no more chunky bezels, no more home button, all-screen OLED display with Face ID. And Apple isn't stopping there. The camera is getting a serious upgrade. While previous SE models stuck with a single basic lens, this one might finally step up its game. Some sources even suggest we could see Apple's 48-megapixel camera make its way to the SE lineup. But what about the price? Right now, the iPhone SE starts at $429, making it the most affordable iPhone. But with all these upgrades, expect a slight bump. Some reports say around $500, give or take. More expensive? Yes, but the most advanced SE ever. Absolutely. So, when's it dropping? This is where things get interesting. Rumors were swirling about a launch last week, but that didn't happen. Now, insiders say we're just days away. Some sources even suggest pre-orders could start as early as February 21st, with an official release by the end of the month. If that's true, we're really close. And one more thing. The current SE isn't even available in some regions, like the EU, Switzerland, and Northern Ireland, because it still uses Lightning. But this new version, it's finally making the switch to USB-C, meaning it'll be available in more places. And here's a wild twist. Apple might be using the SE4 to test its first in-house modem. If that works out, it could mean big changes for future iPhones. So, what do you think? Are you hyped for the SE's long overdue redesign, or do you think Apple should have kept it ultra budget friendly? Let's talk in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay updated on everything Apple, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.